Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa performance-based bonus. Ito na po, meron na pong SARO. Tingnan po natin ang mga schools at divisions na meron na nito. Ito yung Western Abra National High School, para ito sa PBB ng 37 personnel. Ito pa, Pilar Rural High School, meron silang 51 eligible personnel. Northern Abra National High School, 62 eligible. Mataragan National Agricultural School, meron silang 21 na eligible para sa PBB. Manabo National High School, merong 45 eligible. Cristina B. Gonzales Memorial High School, 68 eligible personnel. Abra High School, merong 129 na eligible para sa PBB. Division of Abra, naku, ang dami, 2,774 na personnel. Hindi ko na po tinignan yung amount na nitong SARO. Ito pa, yung sa Tamudan Vocational School, merong 37 na eligible. Rizal National High School of Arts and Trades, 56. Pinokpok Vocational High School, 62. Balbalan Agricultural and Industrial School, merong 37 na eligible. Ito pa, Tabuk City National High School, 202. Kalinga National High School, 103. Division of Tabuk City, 1,131 eligible personnel. Tadian School of Arts and Trades, 67. Serapio Gawan National High School, 32. Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center, ay hindi po yan nasama. Parasilis Technical and Vocational High School, 53. Panabungin School of Arts and Trades and Home Industries, 20. Natunin National High School, 19 eligible. Mountain Province General Comprehensive High School, 108 eligible. Ginzadan National High School, 43. Eastern Buntok National Agricultural Vocational High School, 38. Bakari National Trade Agricultural High School, 27 eligible school-based personnel. Tingnan pa natin, ito, Division of Biliran, 116 qualified officials and employees. Division of Leyte, 210 eligible civilian personnel. Santa Maria National High School, merong 82 na qualified personnel. Namilangan National High School, 34 school-based civilian personnel. Ito pa, Division of Ifugao, merong 2,309 school-based personnel. Narvacan Central High School, ay hindi po yan. Ito, Division of Catbalogan City, meron silang 94 qualified officials and employees sa Division of Catbalogan City. Division of Calbayog, 134 qualified personnel. Division of Samar, 139. Division of Negros Occidental, 189. Division of Victoria City, 53. Don Mariano, ay hindi kasama yung Don Mariano. Flora National High School, merong 51 na eligible personnel. Congrats po sa mga nauna. Ito pa yung Conner Central National High School, meron silang 39 school-based civilian personnel. Apayao National Industrial and Agricultural High School, 38 po sila. Division of Apayao, merong 1,724 school-based civilian personnel. Concepcion Vocational School, Ay, hindi po yan PBB. Ito pa, SARO para sa PBB 2023. Magsaysay National High School. Irisan National High School, mayroong 74 civilian personnel. Gisad Valley National High School, mayroong 70 na teachers yan. Baguio City National High School, 363 civilian personnel. Division of Baguio City, merong more than 1,000 po. Meron din sa Tuba National High School, merong 45 civilian personnel. Tublay School of Home Industries, 121. Mankayan National High School, merong 60. Lao National High School, 74. Lipanto National High School, 62. La Trinidad National High School, 47. Kibungan National High School, 38 teachers po yan. Ito pa, Atok National High School, Apusungan National High School, 29 at 18. Aliho M. Pacalso Memorial National High School, 68. Division of Benguet, 3,991. Nako, congrats po sa inyo. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang yung ating update sa SARO ng PBB 2023. Bye-bye! Pakisubscribe po kung di nyo pa ito nagagawa.